Jai Hind, friends. The second wave of COVID is here. And as the entire globe and entire world is worried, so should you and me be. Before I start today's class or today's lecture, let me request you all to follow COVID guidelines, the social distancing, put on the mask, and use sanitization. Everything, whatever government is telling you, Ayush Mantralaya is telling you, whatever the guidelines coming, because this deadly virus is going to take a very heavy toll in its second wave. So with that, I welcome you all back to Nation First Academy. Nation First Academy had its origin about 2 years back in Pune, Maharashtra. And now, as on this date, it has come to Prayagraj or Allahabad. Nation First Academy's main purpose is the holistic development of the personality. Now, what is this holistic development all about? A person to become an effective leader should be physically fit, he should be mentally alert, he should be emotionally intelligent, psychologically balanced, technically advanced, environmentally friendly, and generally aware. And what is personality? Ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students, personality is the dynamic organization of those psychological and physiological attributes within an individual which decide his or her characteristic response to a given situation in the given circumstances. किसी भी व्यक्ति का व्यक्तित्व एक वो गतिमान संस्था है या अवस्था है जो आपके भौतिक यानी कि शारीरिक और मानसिक गुणों का एक समूह होता है जो किसी भी दी गई परिस्थिति में आपके रिएक्शन को डिसाइड करता है. सो अगेन आई रिपीट, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Personality is the dynamic organization within an individual consisting of those psychological and physiological attributes which decide an individual's characteristics, means a specific response in a given situation. Now, why did I tell you the definition of personality? Because in Services Selection Board, the three assessors, that is the interviewing officer, the psychologist, and the group testing officer, we assess your personality. And as you know, you can manifest your personality or exhibit your traits by three methods: manasa, vacha, karmana. Your mana, what you think, is your unconscious self. Vacha, what you speak, आप किस तरीके से बात करते हैं, that is your conscious self. And karmana, when you perform a particular task as a leader or as a team member, is a semi-conscious behavior. So in SSB, we assess your personality by three methods based on your manifestations given in three forms: manasa, vacha, karmana. Now coming to the techniques per se, and who is that person in charge for it to assess you? Your mana or your unconscious self is judged by projective techniques, and the person who does this particular thing is known as psychologist. Second aspect, second manifestation, vacha, the way you speak or the way you put across your views, your thoughts, is assessed by interviewing officer based on formal and informal methods of interview. And third is Karmana, a group testing officer, a GTO. Mind you, it is not ground testing officer. It is group testing officer, a GTO. He assesses your potential or he assesses your personality in services selection board based on your performance as a leader, leading a group, and also as a member of that particular group. So 3 types of manifestations, Manasa Vacha Karmana, 3 types of techniques, the psychology, the interview and the group testing, and 3 types of assessors, the psychologist reading your mana or unconscious, the interviewing officer reading your vacha or your conscious, and the group testing officer or the GTO reading your karmana when you are performing individually or in a group. Now, having said that, we in Nation First Academy, first of all, judge your potential individually, and thereafter, we help you develop those inherent qualities of yours which you are not aware, your strengths. And we help you to identify your weaknesses or shortcomings. So, Nation First Academy, Prayagraj, the team of assessors, the 3 experienced assessors from who are DIPR qualified, Defense Institute of Psychological Research, New Delhi qualified, and who have a tremendous long experience of assessing the personality of an individual, through their specific, potent, strong techniques, will judge your potential, and thereafter they will ensure that you learn and you improve upon your shortcomings and build up your strengths. Nation First Academy, Prayagraj, is different. As I said earlier, feel the difference, come to us. Nation First Academy, Prayagraj has landed in your city. Of course, it is not confined to the students and candidates of Prayagraj and nearby areas. It is open to everybody. The way we look at personality, the way we give you confidence, the way we build up your personality, you have to see it for yourself. So, Nation First Academy, Prayagraj will help you rediscover yourself. We'll work on all the facets of your personality. In addition to working on 3 techniques, we'll work on your holistic development. We'll ensure that you are physically fit, you develop emotional intelligence, you are mentally alert. We'll develop hobbies in you so that you become creative, imaginative, a solution finder. We'll ensure that your general knowledge and current affairs is built up every day. And when you go from here, we will give you so much of information, both in hard copy and the soft copy, and you'll remain connected with us. Because learning is not 14 days or 1 month old phenomenon. We shall make you do that. And all 3 assessors will be there with you 24/7 to solve your problems. So, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear budding youth candidates, you must dream big. And there's nothing to beat the life in uniform. We'll ask you, do you have it in you? And if you say we have, we'll ensure that you dare to dream and we will make you to realize your dream. So be confident. I have no doubts that you are going to come to the best in the business. For us, it's a mission. For us, the team of assessors, as also the team of our written faculty, is to ensure that the youth of today is not only trained to succeed in the written exam and the SSB interview, but also to work on your personality holistically so that you become a better person, a much better leader, and a confident human being which brings up nation's name. And remember, as I always say, nation first, Rashtra Sarvopari. So Nation First Academy Prayagraj once again welcomes you. Please take due precautions during COVID times. We are providing training online and offline both. Please speak to the numbers provided on the screen and they will give you a solution. And we all are there to help you. It's a mission. Come and be a part of it. Nation First Academy Prayagraj welcomes you in its folds. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.